History of Artificial Intelligence. Documentary by DigiwithSalman. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that has rapidly evolved over the past few years. But did you know that its history dates back to the 1950s? In this documentary, we'll take you through the fascinating journey of AI and how it has transformed our lives. Key events in the history of artificial intelligence. It's unsurprising that artificial intelligence grew rapidly post-1900, but what is surprising is how many people thought about AI hundreds of years before there was even a word to describe what they were thinking about. In the year 1927, the sci-fi film Metropolis, directed by Fritz Lang, featured a robotic girl who was physically indistinguishable from the human counterpart from which it took its likeness. This film holds significance because it is the first on-screen depiction of a robot, and thus lent inspiration to other famous non-human characters such as CP-30 in Star Wars. 1929, Japanese biologist and Professor Makoto Nishimura created Gakuten-saku, the first robot to be built in Japan. Gakuten-saku translates to learning from the laws of nature, implying the robot's artificially intelligent mind could derive knowledge from people and nature. Some of its features included moving its head and hands as well as changing its facial expressions. 1939, Owen Vincent Otnesov, physicist and inventor, alongside his graduate student assistant Clifford Berry, created the Otnesov-Berry computer, a BC. The 1950s proved to be a time when many advances in the field of artificial intelligence came to fruition, with an upswing in research-based findings in AI by various computer scientists among others. 1950, Claude Shannon, the father of information theory, published Programming a Computer for Playing Chess, which was the first article to discuss the development of a chess-playing computer program. The birth of AI. It all started in 1956, when a group of computer scientists held a conference at Dartmouth College, New Hampshire. They discussed the possibilities of creating machines that can think and learn like humans, and thus, AI was born. John McCarthy, one of the pioneers of AI, John McCarthy, coined the term artificial intelligence and developed the Lisp programming language. The rise and fall of AI. In the 1970s, AI faced a setback due to the lack of funding and the inability to deliver on its promises. However, the 1980s saw a resurgence in AI research with the introduction of expert systems. Marvin Minsky, an AI expert, and his team at MIT developed a computer vision system that could recognize simple shapes and objects. The AI revolution. The 21st century has seen an explosion of AI innovation, from self-driving cars to intelligent personal assistants like Siri and Alexa. AI has also made significant contributions in the fields of healthcare and finance. In 2016, DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated world champion Lee Sedol in the ancient Chinese game of Go, a significant achievement in the AI world. AI and ethics. As AI continues to advance, there are concerns about the ethical implications of its use. Experts are calling for guidelines and regulations to ensure that AI is used responsibly and doesn't harm humans. There are also questions about the impact of AI on jobs and society. Will AI take over jobs, or will it create new ones? The future of AI. The possibilities of AI are endless. From improving healthcare to combating climate change, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most significant problems. But with great power comes great responsibility. It's up to us to ensure that AI is used for the betterment of humanity. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of AI. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Follow DigiwithSalman and don't forget to press the bell icon.